YouTube, what's going on? It's the ISO Robbie. In today's video, I have Thursday boots, casual, Premier Low sneakers. These sneakers are very nice and minimalistic. These shoes are very versatile. You can wear these all season long, and the quality on the leather on these is amazing, guys. You guys should definitely check these out. These cost $130 after tax, depending on where you live. I paid $143 for these, and honestly, it is very well worth it. From the first time I wore it, it does feel true to size. I wear size 10. I just had to loosen these up because I have wide feet. To loosen these up, and bam, it fit perfect. On the fine details, they claim that it has buttery, soft sheepskin interior lining, which ensures the softest touch. Then it says hand finished leather upper, provides a beautiful finish that only gets better with age. It has long-lasting polyester laces, which adds a clean and sophisticated look. And the insole includes natural vachetta leather insoles with shock absorbent footbeds with high impact performance and all-day comfort. And for the bottom soles, it is claimed to be dual density rubber outsoles, added comfort and traction. Yo, if you guys are looking for something very affordable that has great quality, this shoe is for you right here. Honestly, guys, I've been looking for a pair of shoes that I can wear on dates, that I can wear out when I'm at the bar, clubbing, you know, shoe like that. Because sometimes I don't want to wear Jordan. Sometimes I want to switch it up. And these shoes right here were the perfect match. It's kind of like formal looking, but it's not exactly formal, so you can fit right in that category of semi-formal, you know. And yeah, I wore these at the bar, and honestly, yeah, it was pretty comfortable. I didn't really notice any discomfort with the shoe, but I do want to let y'all know you guys should definitely spray some waterproofer on these leather right here, on the leather on this shoe, because you know, water and leather does not go well together, so you do want to get that. Also, you want to get leather balm, and you want to apply it on this shoe to keep this nice buttery leather moisturized. Now, I'm gonna give you guys 5 reasons why you should buy these sneakers right here. Number 1, it is timeless. I feel like if you wore these 10 years ago, you would still fit in, and you would still be in the trend, you know, you would still be there. 10 years from now, I believe that these sneakers right here, 10 years from now, that this sneaker here will still be cool to wear. Alright, number 2 reason why you should buy this shoe is because the quality on these is really nice, y'all. Like, the leather on these is nice. I feel like these will even get better. Third reason why you should buy this sneaker is it is very affordable. $130, guys, $130. Most Jordans nowadays going for like $200, and if you're gonna pay resale, depending on what sneaker, it's $300 plus nowadays. Number 4, it is very versatile, guys. You can wear these all season long, summer, spring, fall, winter. Honestly, these will give you more mature look all season long. These are it, y'all. 5th reason why you should buy the sneaker is it is very comfortable, guys. Like I said, I wore it at a bar first time, and I didn't notice any issues. And it was just nice in the feet. Like, you feel the leather quality in it. Christian Dior made these. Honestly, guys, you're paying at least $1,000 for these. They're very similar to Common Projects, and yeah, I would definitely pick these up, y'all. If you guys don't have a pair of casual sneakers and you're looking for one, these are it right here. These are it. Now, I paid my own money for these sneakers right here, guys, and honestly, it's well worth every single penny of it. I would probably get another pair, maybe a different colorway, just to, you know, switch up the colors. But yeah, definitely worth picking up, worth checking out. If you guys, like I said, if you guys are looking for some shoes that you can wear all year round, these are it right here, guys. If you guys have any questions, let me know. But if you guys enjoy this content, subscribe, hit the like button, and subscribe to my YouTube, man. I'm gonna make more videos about fashion and pickups and stuff like that. So yeah, thank you for watching, y'all. Peace.